Example 3. She will help me.
She will helps me.
Careful. After will, no S. Only base verb.
Right. She will help me.
Excellent.
Clara, I need your help. It's urgent.
Oh, what's going on?
I have a presentation tomorrow at work.
That sounds exciting.
No, it's not exciting. I'm stressed.
Why is that?
Because I have to talk about next month, our plans, our goals, everything.
Ah, so you need to talk about the future.
Yes, but when I try, I get confused.
What exactly happens?
I start speaking, and then I stop. I don't know how to continue.
And what do you want to say in the presentation?
I want to explain our plans. I want to say what we plan to do, what our company promises, and what I think will happen.
Okay, that's clear.
But I feel lost.
Don't worry, we can practice together.
Really?
Absolutely. First, tell me one sentence about tomorrow.
Tomorrow, we start a new project.
Are you talking about tomorrow or right now?
Tomorrow.
Good. Then we need a future form.
That's the real problem.
All right. Now pay attention to this. In English, when we talk about the future, one very common way is with will.
That word again.
Don't worry, it's really simple. Here's the structure. Subject plus will plus base verb.
Base verb?
Just the simple verb. Let's see some examples. Example 1. We will start a new project tomorrow.
We will start a new project tomorrow.
Good. Example 2. I will explain our plan.
I will explain our plan.
Perfect. Example 3. She will help me.
She will helps me.
Careful. After will, no S. Only base verb.
Right. She will help me.
Excellent. Example 4. They will arrive at 9 a.m.
They will arrive at 9 a.m.
Very good.
So it's always will plus simple verb.
Exactly.
That's easier than I thought.
Okay, now let's practice for your presentation.
All right.
Say, tomorrow I will present our new strategy.
Tomorrow, I will present our new strategy.
Good.
Can I say I'll?
Yes.
I'll present our new strategy.
Perfect. Now let's try the negative. Maybe something won't happen.
We will not change the price.
Good.
We won't change the price.
Excellent. Will not becomes won't.
That word is strange.
Yes, but very common. Now, questions. Imagine your boss asks you something.
Okay.
Will you finish the project on time?
Will you finish the project on time?
Jack, that's my sentence.
Oh, sorry. I will finish the project on time.
Good. Now you ask me.
Will we reach our goals?
Very good question form. For questions, it's will plus subject plus verb.
I think I understand.
Great. Let's add more practice. What will you do next month?
I will visit new clients.
Good. Where will you go?
I will go to New York.
Excellent WH question. When will you start?
I will start next Monday.
Perfect. Why will you change the plan?
We will change the plan because sales are low.
Very good.
Oh, this is starting to feel natural.
Perfect. That's a quick decision.
So, I didn't plan before. I decided at the moment.
Exactly. Another use, promises.
Like in the presentation?
Yes, we will improve our service.
That sounds strong.
Yes, it gives confidence.
I like that.
Now, predictions.
Predictions?
When you think something will happen. Example, I think sales will increase.
I think sales will increase.
Good. Maybe we will open a new office.
Maybe we will open a new office.
Very good. It will be difficult at first.
It will be difficult at first.
Excellent.
So, I think and maybe are common with will.
Yes, very common.
I can use that tomorrow.
Exactly. Now a small situation. Weather.
Okay.
Look outside. Dark clouds.
It will rain.
Perfect prediction.
I feel smart now.
Good. Now let's add something important. Condition.
Condition?
Yes, with if.
Oh, that scares me.
Don't worry, it's simple. Here's some examples. If it rains, we will stay inside.
If it rains, we will stay inside.
Good. If sales increase, we will hire more people.
If sales increase, we will hire more people.
Excellent.
So, after if, I don't say will?
Not in this type of sentence. We say if plus present, will plus verb.
If it rains, we will stay home.
Perfect. Quick recap time. We use will for
Future actions, promises, quick decisions, predictions.
structure,
Subject plus will plus base verb.
negative,
Won't.
question,
Will before subject.
and with if.
If plus present, will plus verb.
Excellent.
I feel much clearer now.
Great. Now full simulation. Imagine you are in the presentation room. Go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I will talk about our future plans.
Good.
Next month, we will launch a new product.
Clear.
I think it will attract many new customers.
Nice prediction.
If sales increase, we will open a second office.
Excellent condition.
We won't reduce our quality.
Strong message.
Where will we focus our marketing? We will focus on young professionals.
Good WH structure.
When will we see results? We will see results in 3 months.
Very good.
Maybe we will face some challenges,
Natural.
but we will work hard.
Strong promise.
If we have problems, we will find solutions.
Excellent.
I will personally visit our biggest clients,
Very confident.
and I promise we will give our best.
Beautiful.
Thank you. I will answer your questions now.
That was excellent.
Really?
Yes, you used future forms naturally.
At the beginning, I was scared.
And now?
Now I feel confident. I understand how to speak about the future.
Tell me what you learned.
I learned that I can use will to talk about the future.
Yes.
I use it for decisions in the moment, promises, and predictions.
Good.
I put will before the verb, no S or ED.
Correct.
For questions, I say, will you?
Yes.
For negative, I say, won't.
Perfect.
And with if, I say, if something happens, we will do something.
Excellent summary.
Tomorrow, I will give my presentation.
Yes, you will.
I won't panic.
Good.
I will speak clearly.
Yes.
And I think it will go well.
I'm sure it will.
Thank you, Clara. I feel ready for the future now.
And the future will be yours.
I believe it will.